Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and report inappropriate comments in your YouTube channel. So, if you guys have a YouTube channel and probably there are so many viewers that is like leave a comment that is not appropriate or like a speech hate or something, and you want to remove and report that. I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So here you need to go to your channel in YouTube Studio, so studio.youtube.com, and then find the dashboard and scroll down until you find the latest comment and click on view more to see more commands. Okay, so here are the latest comment on my channel, and maybe in this comment I actually already read the comments before, and I think there are no like inappropriate comments in here, so I need to go to the help for review, and I found a few speech hate or like inappropriate comments in this. So you can see the even the YouTube also detect this comment as potentially inappropriate. So this account is like a speech leave a comment like that indicates like speech hate or like harassment, I think. So if you want to report, you can just click on this flag icon. So report spam or abuse, just click on that, and after that the comment or the reply has been removed into from this channel. And then if you want to like hide a user from channel, you can do that also by clicking on this like what it's called, I don't know, this this icon. Click on that hide user from channel, and then after that it will be removed also. So you can see there are so many comments that detected or indicates inappropriate by YouTube. And if you want to if you don't want to report that but you want to just remove, you can just click on this trash bin icon to remove the comment, and then after that it will be removed. Okay, or you can also just open youtube.com and then open, for example, I want to open YouTube, I find and like open or play a video. Okay, for example, this one's right here. I open this video and then see the comments. For example, let's say that I find this comment inappropriate, or like I don't like the comment. You can just click on the three dots icon and then click on report. But you can't remove because it's not your video, but you can remove the comment from your video by clicking on the trash bin icon or report icon. Okay guys, so I think that's all. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial.